Have you tried rice paper flour chips? They're extremely crispy, airy, and tasty. On top of that, they're super quick and easy to make. All you really need are some rice paper, water, and oil. We're also gonna make a super delicious seasoning and dipping sauce. Let's get started! Here I have 6 pieces of rice paper. The pink color comes from beetroot. And the yellow color comes from turmeric. I got mine on Amazon and is available in most Asian grocery stores. You can also use the regular white ones. Cut the rice paper in quarters. Stack and trim them into round shapes. Half of them about 3 inches in diameter. Another half about 2 inches in diameter. Make about 6 to 8 cuts around the edges. It is totally okay if they don't look perfect at this time. Once they are fried, they will look fabulous regardless. You can place the finished ones in Ziploc bags while working on the others, so they don't dry and crumble up easily. Tap a dash of water on the center of a larger piece. Place a smaller piece on top and push it down for a few seconds until they are glued together. In a pot over high heat, pour in the avocado oil or other high smoking point oil. And heat it up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 191 degrees Celsius. Add the rice paper flour chips. Fry until crispy, about 10 seconds. Remove and drain on a paper towel lined plate. To make the seasoning, in a small bowl add the salt and white pepper. Mix well. You can sprinkle it over the flour chips or serve it on the side. In a small pot over medium heat, add the apple juice, rice vinegar, ketchup, and honey. Whisk and bring it to a simmer. Pour in the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Whisk. Serve it on the side. This is super crispy, delicious, and crunchy. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again soon. Bye!
Tell me all.